Today I'm going to show you how to make a modern slide in Canva. Go to videos and open new video project. And drag your image to the design. Go to elements and type white. Choose photos and choose any white image. Go to edit photo, shadows, drop, increase the size, increase the blur amount, increase the distance, increase the intensity, and resize it. Go to transparency and lower the transparency to 20. Duplicate and increase the transparency to 40. Duplicate and increase the transparency to 60. Select all and group and rotate, resize, click in the image and resize it and move it to the left. Duplicate, move these shapes to the left and move the image to the right. Change the position of the pages, add transition, match and move, increase the duration, and here's the final results. And you can add your text here. It's easy step. You can choose any font you want. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.